Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on this video I'll try to explain you how you can use ChatGPT as a tester tool. And if you are a software tester or if you are doing that software testing job, then how can you utilize that ChatGPT for enhancing your test case writing, test script writing and requirement analysis. So guys, this video I think it helps you to to understand the ChatGPT and to use the ChatGPT on your day-to-day task. Okay, so guys, agenda of this today video is like, so in this video I gonna tell you what is the ChatGPT. So you can use that ChatGPT as a testing assistant, and how to use that ChatGPT for test case tuning or test case writing. And I also explain you how you can generate and refining that your test script. And also I will try to explain you how to understand that requirement, so you can understand the requirement better, and you can use that use that ChatGPT you can analyze the requirement on more robust way, so you can be your test case will be more robust and more proper. So, and lastly I will tell you some best practices for test automation by the help of ChatGPT. Okay guys, so let me introduce the ChatGPT as a testing assistant. So basically, what is the ChatGPT basically? So ChatGPT is nothing but it's a tool. So in this tool, it actually AI tool, and it actually helps you to giving that proper response based upon your prompt. So basically, ChatGPT is actually use LLM model or language model. To that language model, it will actually improve day by day. So suppose that you will give some problem to ChatGPT doesn't know, so it will give you the it will gives you the solution, but that solution is not proper. That solution will have so many mistakes, but day by day it will improve. And like after some couple of days or couple of months later, it will gives you a perfect solution for that your problem. Okay, so now we don't need to care about like how the ChatGPT working and all. You can get that all resources from internet. But here as a tester, we have to care about like how we can use ChatGPT for testing purpose. See, basically we can use like automated routing task like the drafting test cases, test script. So that writing or that tuning purpose we can use ChatGPT. But here guys, we can't rely properly on ChatGPT guys, because ChatGPT doesn't understand the problem. Sometimes it actually goes like small keyword, and it will gives you the response. Based upon your keyword, it will provide you the response. So there was so many there is a high possibility that so many errors will come. So your test case will be not perfect if you are using ChatGPT. So it looks like perfect, but it will not perfect. That test case will be not perfect. So you have to like write that test cases from scratch, and then you can use ChatGPT as in tuning. Okay, and it will also helps to redefine that or refinding the requirements and identifying the gaps of that requirement. So it will also suggest you some enhancement. And here it will actually, you can say it is kind of second pair of eyes, so that you can use that eyes for your day-to-day basis. It will actually helps you some suggestion. It will helps you some kind of key points. That key points you might be like forget on that time, or you might be not recall that on that time. So it will helps you to that only, and you can write that proper like test cases by that help of ChatGPT. Now, why that we are using ChatGPT for test case tuning? So basically, it will actually helps you that optimize test cases. So it will be the test case will be more clear, more optimized test case. So any kind of layman can understand that your cases. Like it generates that alternative test scenario based upon the your edge cases. Another thing, it will actually helps you to more test coverage by suggesting that missing scenarios. Now, ChatGPT for generating and refining test script. So basically, you act as an automation tester, you can write the test script. And test script writing, it is like sometimes easy, sometimes it is more difficult because of some kind of, you can say, critical scenarios, some missing kind of locators you have to put there. So sometimes identifying the better best locators, you can use that ChatGPT also. So like that way you can use. And here I have given that one example prompt, like write a Selenium test script for login into web application using username and password. So this kind of prompt you have to provide, and that prompts will come slowly once you can implement that chat GPT on your day-to-day basis. Another thing is requirement analysis. So through the chat GPT, you can break down that complex requirement, and for a testable unit, you can also segregate that thing properly for like a peak feature and proper test case user stories by that help of that chat GPT. And also you can help to identify the gap, some missing critical cases, or some kind of ambitious requirement. So all those things you can get it by the help of ChatGPT. And for test automation assistant, that ChatGPT actually helps you to write that automation code, and also it will helps you to write that API cases also by the help of REST SEO or whatever technology you are using. Okay, and also it will fit that error logs or broken test scenarios to get that suggestion for fix. And suppose that you got stuck or somewhere like where that your automation script is not running properly, so you can copy paste it, and you can like say like that, try to fix this one. So ChatGPT will go through that, and it will fix that or it will provide that proper suggestion to, so that you can fix that your problem. So like that way you can automate that test automation in quite more fastly. So some best practices you need to be follow as a tester. One thing is like you have to provide that prompt clearly and detailed way, so it will provide you the best result. Another thing is like you can use chat gpt for improvement your test case and test script. Don't write that test case and test script from scratch, because it actually provides you lots of like mistakes. But like if you are using as an refinement, then it will be quite good actually. And cross verification, like always you have to review that chat gpt, so your test case will be proper and robust. So my suggestion is like always use chat gpt as a reviewer tool and refinement tool, not using that chat gpt as a building tool right now. So customization also like that, here you can customize your output and your framework, your tool set, all things. At least you can learn that testing through ChatGPT also. Like ChatGPT will provide you so many resources, it will helps you to understand the like concepts, difficult technical concept like that. I don't know about data driven framework. Okay, so I just write that ChatGPT as in prompt, like explain me data driven framework as a layman point of view, or as an IM5, like this kind of prompt is there. So through that prompt you can understand that ChatGPT will try to explain you the data driven framework from scratch. So here I have provided one example workflow. First thing is like input high level requirement, users put it into ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will suggest you some missing scenarios or missing like cases, or some it will actually explain you that like requirement in more proper way. And ChatGPT also breaks down the test cases on such that age test cases also. And also it will redefine or generate the test script for automation also. It will actually helps to build the framework from scratch actually. And also it will continuously optimize your test script by that help of feedback and fixes. Yeah, so that's all about this video. Now I'll try to show you one practical approach. Through that way you can use the chat gpt on your day-to-day basis. On that notepad I had some couple of dummy requirements. Here it will provide me that proper test scenarios like functional scenarios, and then it will provide me some kind of integration scenarios, it test scenarios. So these all are test scenarios, guys. The first thing is like that user can successfully create that profile with a required field like name, email, password. Like that way we can write that our test scenarios. And suppose that yeah you want more, so you just think about it, put that your idea to here. ChatGPT will recognize that, and it will provide you the test scenarios. Okay, so these all are scenarios have provided by ChatGPT. See that, guys, it is quite good actually. Some scenarios. Yes. Okay, we can write that our test cases also. So here we just need to, after that one I just need to write, give me me test cases on Excel format. So it will take some time, and see, it will give you a proper Excel structure. So just provide me PRO, provide me. It will take some time. It will analyze it, and then it will give me a proper Excel sheet. Through that Excel sheet, we can check it, we can tune up based upon that our needs, and then we can implement that one. So see that, guys, it actually gives me that proper test cases. Let me open that one. Let me download it and let me open it. So this is our test case, guys. So this is the test case ID. This is the test case description for that, and this is the description. So let me first select it and use that wrap text for this properly. It helps us to identify that proper procedure. Now see that, guys, this all a test case has written by ChatGPT. I haven't written anything, so all thing has written by ChatGPT only. See, first thing is like verify user can successfully create that profile with the requirement field like name, email, and password. So this is that precondition. User is on that registration page. Then some steps will be there. That steps you need to rewrite it because it will not proper sometimes, but that other things will be proper. Actual result, and that here your status of that your testing. So like that way you can create that test cases anytime. Now automate this one. Okay, so here I need to use that prompt like give me give me automation using POM, and use extended report for integration leave locators. So locators. So what it will do, so it will start writing that automation cases. So it will provide me that proper structure. See, like that way it provides me that proper folder structure here, and then inside that way see, it is providing proper dependencies and all, what kind of dependencies need to be implemented, and then it will give me that proper code. So inside that base test Java here, what kind of code I need to write. See, it actually start writing that full code properly. So it should be before method, after method, and then here extended report manager is there. Okay, so inside that report manager we it actually provides that proper report, and then inside that pages I just it provides that page factory here. So once like page factory has been there, then here also it provides that page factory, and then it provides actually that our proper test script. These all are actually test script. See that it is proper, actually proper test script, and then extended report configuration is there. Okay, and it provides like how to run it. So like that way we can generate the automation script by the help of ChatGPT. We can use anything like Cucumber, BDD, or anything, and provide me deployment Groovy script. So what it will do, so it will start writing that Groovy script based upon that our scenarios. Okay, so see this one, it start writing that our Groovy script. Okay, like environment, then stage. Here we need to provide that our our git URL, and then build project maven clean install ambient clean install, then run test ambient test, then stages, packages application and then deployment to the staging server, everything it has written. Okay, just and then once it is done, then deployment has completed. Like that way it has provided me that all resources. Now what thing I need to do, I just need to implement with that our different environment. So actually through that way we if like we have a proper requirement like that, here I had one requirement. That requirement we just need to put it here. We can identify the test scenarios, and then we through the ChatGPT only we can write the test cases. Like that, here I have written the test case by the help of ChatGPT, and then we just automate that one by the help of a proper framework. And once automation has completed, then we can also use like CI/CD pipeline, Groovy script for deploymentation. Like that way we can to do that full process with the by the help of ChatGPT. But is this thing is proper? The answer is it is not. It is not proper actually. Here so many issues will be there. So see that I'll show you here. Okay, let me take any random thing. Okay, like this, verify that user can send images and video directly via message. Okay, so first open messaging, then select contract. See, it is not proper actually. This is not proper. Or like it should not be contract. It should be like what kind of profile we have to like select. So here it should be select that profile, then navigate to that contract, and then we can click means like upload that image and videos, then we can send it. So these steps is not proper. So like that way these test cases are actually quite good, but it is not proper. It is not fully like okay. So that's why my concern is like you guys can use ChatGPT as in third eye, or as in kind of can say for improving your writing skill, but don't rely on that. Currently that ChatGPT and other AI tools are not proper actually. It not provides that proper response, but in future I think it will be that we are not sharing about it. But I think that this video is actually helps you to understand that how to write that test cases by the help of ChatGPT. So guys, I hope this video actually helps you. So this video I'll try to explain you that how can you use that AI tools on your day-to-day basis or your day-to-day testing task. I think that if this video is actually helpful for you, then please, or helps you, please like this videos, subscribe this channel, help me to grow on YouTube. And if any suggestion is there, please comment down. Thank you, thanks for your valuable time, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helps you.